This dance is called Aiyo Wei, 32 count, 4 walls. It's an improver level line dance, and there are 2 taps in this dance. Let me show you the main dance first. Starting with your right foot, step your right to the side, drag your left next to right, ball step and point right out, ball step in and point left out. Rock recover with your left, rock recover, do a back coaster, back together, forward. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, do a full turn to your left. Half turn, stepping your right back, and then another half turn, stepping your left forward. Do a forward shuffle, forward together, forward. Pivot quarter turn to your right. Step quarter turn, cross. Hip roll, right and left. So section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. For section 2, you can do 2 walks if you do not want to do the full turn. So you go from here, walk 2 steps. Walk, walk, forward shuffle, pivot quarter turn, cross, hip roll, right, and hip roll to the left. So the same for the counting will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Continue section 3. Step your right down, hold 1 count. Step and hold, ball step down, touch. Do a rolling wind to your left, quarter, half, continue shuffle, side together, side. So section 3 with a count. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section, cross recover back. Cross rock recover back. Hip roll, left and right. Left and right. Do a sailor step, behind, side, side, and a kick ball step. Kick ball step. You finish the dance here. So the last section with a count. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. In this dance, there is a tap at 16 count of wall 2 and wall 6. Let me do wall 2 and show you the tap. Wall 2, you are facing 3 o'clock. So you go 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 16 count, and you do a right mampo and a left mampo. So rock recover step together, side rock recover step together. So with the count is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. When you finish the tag, you start the dance from here, facing 6 o'clock. Similarly, during wall 6, there is another tab.